Hey guys, today I'm gonna talk about and compare NerdWallet and YNAB. First of all, we have NerdWallet. It's a financial all-rounder. It's perfect for comparing credit card loans and investment options, while also providing personalized tips to improve your credit score. It's free, user-friendly, and ideal if you want a big picture view of your finances without diving into the nitty-gritty of budgeting. On the other hand, we have YNAB, short for You Need a Budget. It's all about proactive budgeting. It's based on the zero-based budgeting methods, meaning every dollar gets assigned a job. YNAB syncs with your bank accounts, helps you plan for the future, and keeps you on track with your financial goals. It's a subscription service, but many swear by its ability to reduce overspending and build savings, which is better. If you want comprehensive financial advice, NerdWallet is your go-to, but if you're ready to deep dive into budgeting and saving, YNAB is your best bet. Do tell me in the comments below which one do you prefer. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.